Hello there, friend! Today we are opening up another trading card packet from the Sun and Moon Pokemon collection. So we have our friend Paras at the front. So let's see. So we have Paras, Polyper, Alolan Primer, Trumpeak, so far all doubles, Southland, Trumpeak, two of the same ones in one packet, Southland, Hypno, I do not mind a double from Hypno, and the glittery card is, fly away, it is Gumshoes. This was a complete double back from the clear card to the first card. But we are going to collect some more, so we do not mind doubles. Thank you so much for watching, and I will get back to you soon. Bye!